Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Today Appa have a beautiful free-range chicken here. I'm going to steam it with some fried ginger oil. Shortly I'll show you how to make the fried ginger oil at home very easily. Let's quickly prep the chicken here. First of all, I'm going to give it some saucing wine. This will remove the gaminess of the chicken, and then you also add more fragrant. If you don't take alcohol, just omit this, yeah? Put more ginger instead. Then I'm going to give it few dashes of fine salt. Right. And few pieces of ginger on top. Right, then my family always like to have more chicken stock, so I'm going to add some filtered water here. Right, so we should send this to the steamer. First of all, let's heat up the steamer to 100 degrees Celsius and above. Then carefully we put in the chicken in the middle and steam it for between 15 to 20 minutes. So here's the ginger. Usually we will use old or medium ginger on this. Then get a spoon and then you get a spoon and remove the skin. Right after you have removed the skin of the ginger, put it into a chopper or blender. You don't really need to add water. We don't really want liquid, yeah, inside this blend. Only few seconds. Some are still not chopped yet. Maybe just add a little bit of water just to assist the blending process. Now it should be fine. Right, this kind of consistency, okay? Of course, you want to make ginger oil, therefore you want to give it a good amount of oil. And I'm making extra today so that I can keep the rest in my fridge. Actually, even before the oil is very hot, you can already put in the ginger, no problem at all. So basically what we want to do here is we want to saute this ginger until golden brown. And there is one thing for you to take note, which I will tell you shortly. Started to sizzling. Started to sizzles. Let me see, do I have enough oil? No, I need more oil. When we are making this, not only we want the fried ginger, we also want the fried ginger oil, because that can be used as Chinese say 香油, yeah, aroma oil or fragrant oil for any of your cooking actually. I could use a little bit more oil. Alright, so let's saute this for the next couple of minutes. Right, this is coming to about 9 minutes. Actually, I seldom need to cook until 9 minutes, because this is a lot today. So you can see the color getting darker and darker, and it started to get browny. I'm going to off the fire right away. Don't cook until, don't saute until everything become brown. that can make some of part of it become chao ta. All right. So when you start seeing about 50-60% of it becoming brown color, then that is the time you need to off the fire, because the residual heat will continue cook through the ginger. Wow, look at the ginger, how beautiful it is, golden brown. Let me put it into a serving bowl. Right, there's only one thing to take note. Don't make your ginger become chao ta, okay? Look at how beautiful it is. Look at this. Simple, right? Making fragrant oil or ginger oil at home. You can also mix some garlic inside if you like, yeah? All right, the chicken is definitely ready. Wow, can you see how beautiful it is? Let me show you. Check out how beautiful it is. It has a lot of chicken stock plus the golden color chicken skin. So the chicken skin is my daughter's favorite. All right, so let me carefully take it out from the oven. It has a lot of chicken stock right now, so we have to be more careful. So here's the beautiful steamed chicken. And I'm going to put the fried ginger on top, together with some fried ginger oil. You can remove those ginger that I put into steam, yeah? No problem. Maybe I will remove some of it. Oh, just push it down lah. Right. Let me put a bit more fried ginger. All right, done. See how beautiful it is and simple to make a steamed fish chicken with fried ginger at home. I hope you like my very simple video today. If you like my video, do share my video on Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook page to click like and follow button. Follow up on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye. And here is the fried ginger with ginger oil. You can actually keep it inside a glass bottle. Wait until it is cold, then only you put in the fridge. Or you want to put in, actually you just put in the normal place where you put all the condiment also can. No need to put inside the fridge also can.